Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this video, we show the construction progress from the beginning until present as taken by a drone. Here's a view of the extensive and deep excavation and shoring work which was completed, and also a view of the crane that was needed to do the underground structure. Here's progress on levels P3 and P2. Here we see progress on the gymnasium floor and also the ground level of the parking structure. And here is a nice view of the crane again. Here the crane is being dismantled as we come close to finishing the underground structure. And here's the view of the final level of the car ramp being completed. Here the steel for the building is starting, alhamdulillah. And here you can see the precast main floor being installed. Here the steel is being installed up to the second floor. And here you can see the progress of the second floor precast being installed. Here you can see the progress of the steel up to the roof level. And upcoming, you will see the progress on the shell of the building. Alhamdulillah, you can see the excellent progress with the help of Allah and your support. And alhamdulillah, we are now in a position to finish the exterior and get the finished look shown in the architect's rendering, which you can see on our homepage. We just need your support for the next step of the construction, which is to install stucco and windows. The cost for stucco and windows is only $50 per square foot, and we need over 11,000 square feet sponsored. In these last 10 days of Ramadan, please take this opportunity for sadaqatun jariyah and donate for the installation of stucco and windows to finish the exterior of the new building and make it watertight so that we can start working on the inside. Please go to our homepage, masjid.farooq.com, and click the Donate Stucco and Windows button and follow the instructions. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.